US crude today precisely taking the support from 69.4 levels. That is the levels I had asked you to sell there in the morning update, and precisely it has taken the support from those levels, have seen a good rise, and in fact has achieved 70.5 levels, and buy entry was at 70. I hope you all profited there. Likewise, the net gas too has seen a good bullishness. See, precisely 2.36 it has respected, and a buy entry was at 2.38 levels, and it is done with the 2.42 levels. I hope you profited till now. Now, what to expect with the US session, which position you should take trading crude and net gas, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the daily market analysis. In fact, twice a day I share this update, first with the Asia session and next with this video with the US session. Also, you can keep yourself updated by joining my free Telegram channel. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Let's start. First, we'll look into US crude followed with net gas. Do watch till the end. Now, see what crude oil is trying to do on the early chart. See lower highs, lower lows, which means 71, 71.5, and a bullish confirmation, a reversal confirmation is only if you see oil trading above 72. Right now it is still trying to achieve 71 levels, which is going to be a very good resistance zone. See, in the morning update we had discussed that these are divergent. The moving averages now started to converge, and hence little more bullishness may prevail. And if you look at the stochastic, this is now trading overbought because 70.5 still is a very good resistance. But look at MACD, this has crossed over, trading with divergence, looking upwards. And see, after twin bottom, it is trying to trade bullish, and hence little more bullishness cannot be denied. RSI trying to look upwards and show a little strength. If you look at 2 hour, likewise on the 2-hour chart, see it is still trading in this near-term bearish channel. The highs at 71, 71.5 zone. And reversal confirmation is only if you see it trading above 71.8 or 72 levels. Well, right now it is trying to look upwards, certainly staying above 70.5. We can expect 71, 71.5 levels. With the stop loss at around 70, yes, you can stay long. Those who had watched the morning update with the Asia session definitely be in profit by now. Stochastic looking upwards, trying to trade in overbought zone. Look at the MACD crossover on the 2-hour chart. This is a bullish sign. This is crossing over at a after long losing streak. And also, if you see that this is the rise retracement, the slope here is different. Certainly, we can say little more bullishness cannot be denied. RSI almost trying to rise from the bottom there, hitting the oversold levels. Now look at the 3-hour. Similar is the observation on the 3-hour chart. See the previous candle from 69.4 to 70.2, almost $0.7. And if you count it, this candle from almost 70.3 to 71. So same size. It means 71 levels cannot be denied if it continues to stay above 70.5 level. 70.5 certainly is a good resistance, and it is trading above these levels. I'll be looking forward to at least 70.8, 71 levels, which is a very good resistance. And remember, till 72 do not consider this as bullish, and only if it breaks past by 71.8, 72 levels, you can say that it is trying to reverse. Stochastic back to overbought zone. The MACD trying to cross over here for a buy entry, and the RSI is also trying to look upwards and show a little bullishness. Now look at the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, this is a third straight green candle. This is still retracement. This is not a reversal till the time it stays below 72. 70.8, 71 levels still appears achievable, and possibly this is going to give it a very good resistance. Stochastic was oversold, trying to recover from the oversold levels. MACD is still bearish. It is not yet crossed over. However, a crossover is prominent with couple of bullish candles more. RSI looking upwards and showing a little bullishness there. Now look at the daily chart. Now see on the daily chart, see first of all a flat bottom. With the flat bottom, it has started to rise 71 levels. Certainly I'll be 70.8, 71 I'll be looking forward to. Remember, this is the first green candle there. There could be series of green candles for today and tomorrow. Higher lows are seen. Possibly it may try to hit this zone. See, till the time it stays between this zone, that is 74 and 69.5, we should stay cautious. Yes, there could be a little retracement till towards 72 till tomorrow or maybe day after tomorrow. Stochastic at bottom and oversold, and hence a little rise cannot be denied. The MACD is also bearish, and also it has come to the lower levels, and hence it may try to stay bullish. RSI also looking upwards, showing a little strength there. So considering this, till the time it stays above 70, one can stay long for 70.8, 71 levels. And in fact, once it is 71, 71.70.8, 71, These two levels, very good resistance, and beyond that 71.5 and 71.8, these two levels. So certainly only if it trades above 72, you can expect that it is trying to trade bullish there, else possibility of a reversal exists. And see, these levels till 71.8, 72 are achievable till tomorrow possibly. And a sell entry below 70, below rather 69.4 can only be taken. Definitely those who had watched the morning update will be in profit, and that is where the levels are now difficult for you to enter a sell, because till 69.4 it is not bearish. It may try to bounce back. Even if it tries to drop, we can see a bounce back or a recovery, and hence you should keep your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at net gas. And if you want to learn this art and strategies which can help you trade profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. 22nd batch starts on first of June. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my signals group, trading as per the signals. Definitely you can benefit. Now see, I am consistently staying bullish in net gas, and net gas has come to the resistance levels at 2.42. You have to wait for it to breach past 2.42, and then I will be looking forward to 2.5, 2.6 levels, and beyond that sky is the limit. Right now 2.42 levels, giving it a little resistance there, but at the same time you must see higher lows are seen, higher highs are seen. On the downside, a sell entry is only if you see it trading below 2.38. So below 2.38, also 2.36, very good support, and if it draws below 2.36, more bearishness may prevail. So in between 2.38 and 2.42, do not take any trade. Above 2.42, more bullishness is going to be seen there. Now if you look at the stochastic, this is trying to look upwards. MACD is trying to cross over for a sell. It has seen good rally there, good rise there, but it has not yet crossed over. Wait for it to cross over for a sell entry. RSI very near to the overbought zone. And if you look at 2-hour charts, now on the 2-hour charts too, higher lows, higher highs, trading within the zone, and hence 2.38, 2.42 levels we should be watchful of. Stochastic overbought. MACD is still bullish, trading with divergence, but the candle size have diminished here. So from here, couple of possibilities: either it tries to cross over, else stabilizing here we can see a bullish move, and hence 2.42 certainly be a very good indication. The RSI is trading overbought on the 2-hour charts, and hence this is the level where you should be watchful of. Now look at 3-hour. Similar is the observation on the 3-hour charts as well. Very near to overbought levels the stochastic is. The MACD is still divergent and bullish. The RSI is trading near to overbought levels here too. So certainly on multiple time frames, this appears to be slightly overbought, but you recall when we had seen a good drop in net gas, it consistently stayed bearish, it consistently stayed oversold, and hence if it breaks out on the upside, should not see that it is overbought or oversold. We can see it fighting strongly on the upside. So yes, staying above 2.42, one can stay long. Right now it is trying to look bullish here. Stochastic near to overbought, MACD bullish, RSI overbought. And if you look at the daily charts, now see, look at the daily charts, certainly 2.42 and 2.45, these two levels I will look forward to. Right now it is trying to stay above 2.42, and possibly once it stays above this, you can expect more bullishness. In fact, you can expect it to hit 2.5 levels also. This is 2.5 is going to be the next strongest resistance, and see, the moving average have already started to converge. Hence the bullishness cannot be denied. The stochastic looking upwards, the MACD is still divergent and bullish looking upwards. RSI is also trying to trade bullish here. Considering this, yes, you can stay long about 2.4 to expect 2.45 first target, 2.5 the next target. Staying about 2.5, sky is the limit. We are going to look at 2.6, 2.8, $3 levels within this week itself. On the downside, you can sell here at 2.38, or rather I will say 2.39 itself you can sell, but then expect 2.38, 2.36 levels as a very, very good support, and staying below 2.36 you can expect a very, very good drop in net gas, where it may try to erase the gains and try to drop till towards 2.3 levels. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss. Trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also remember, first you should invest in your learning first, and that is where the mentorship batch helps you. The trading strategies which we teach definitely will help you identify the potential trades and the exit strategy. So join the batch. It is a 15-day session, and definitely it will be helpful for you. At the same time, the signals group help you to, those who do not have time to study charts and analysis, they can join the signals group, and it helps you to take take the trades as or place the trades as per the levels given with the target price and stop loss, and just enjoy the profits. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.